I hope you know where I am headed today. Today we are going to Yapahuwa, and hope you will enjoy this video as well. So let's go with us to Yapahuwa. So today I'm not going on solo mode. Today I am with my father. So we invite you to come along with us to Yapahuwa. Let's see you there in Yapahuwa, guys. So we are at Yapahuwa now. We are about to climb the rock. I think you can see the Yapahuwa rock from the background. So let's go with us. Let's go get the bag. Everything is ready here. The right tripods, water bottle, a lime juice. All the things are here. There are some things that I would love to tell. There are some stories behind this fortress. This is a fortress actually. Let's talk in the climb. Let's go, guys. So we are still at the beginning of the climb. When we came to this place, my father told me, "Wow, what a staircase is this? Come on, guys, look. Have you ever seen a stairway like this? This is steep." Well, we have only one way to find out. Let's go and check out. After a very steep climb of stairs, here we are. We are entering a small thicket and it is a bit shady here. So there will be no interruption from the sun. And my father has already started the journey. So let's go into the thicket. There is also stairway here. But the main part is it is very shady and the harm from the sun is negligible here. Let's go to the top. We had our first long break. I got a bit tired, so we thought that we would stop for a bit and have a little rest, but it became a long rest. It is so soothing here, guys. The environment, the wind, the only stress here is the sun. But if we ignore that, this is all a soothing environment. So I fell asleep a little bit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it calmed my mind and calmed my body as well. And we are very near to the top of the rock. While we are resting, let me tell you the story of this rock fortress. This was built by King Yapahuwa as per my knowledge, and he used this place because of this very steep rock. Our old kings used these kinds of steep rocks as their safe fortress, so that they can be protected from the enemies very easily. As I know, this is a place where our most religious tooth relic had been. So it is in a way a sacred place. So that is the story I know. If you know anything, comment below and share the information so that we all can know the history behind this gorgeous, calm place. Guys, we started climbing again, and look what we just found. These are really big caves, and there are some carvings done on the top of the roof. In English, I don't know what they call them, but in Sinhala we call them kataram. And here, those lightnings. Yeah, they have been carved up to there. So this is a pretty big cave, and these carvings or kataram are made because they need to stop rainwater sliding down the stone there. So with that carving, rainwater will stop and drain along this carving and will fall down. Let's go inside and have a look. Wow, I mean, easily 5 people could have been here. These are so big caves. Look, it is almost a bedroom here, and also little cabinets. I don't know whether they are cabinets or not, but I think they could have used them as cabinets as well. So that is the first cave. This is the second cave, and down there, I don't think I will be able to go down there. And this, I hope you can see, this is the third cave. All big 3 caves. The journey is a bit tiring but satisfying. So finally here at the top of Yapahuwa rock. The wind is quite high, so if the camera is a bit shaky, sorry about that. And if you cannot hear me, sorry about that as well. So I can see a small stupa built here, and from the look of it, I think this has been built in the days that this fortress has been built. Who knows about that? Sometimes this could have been the place that they placed the envelope, placed the truth relic as well. There is so much to see. This is the highest rock all around the area, and so as you guys know, if you are on a very top high hill. The scenery is the best. Let's go and check out the scenery. Let's go, guys. Let's go a little day, guys. We are heading back to the car again. I think you have enjoyed the scenery, the beauty of the place alongside with me. And if you like the video, just click the like button. And if you think somebody will enjoy watching this video, share the video and also click the subscribe button as well. So if you have been here to Yapahuwa or to a similar rock fortress, comment down below. We would like to see where you have been also. Thank you guys. Until next time.